and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we're doing levels check. Okay, this is our expansion tank where your antifreeze go in. Okay, can't see clearly what that says on there or what it is. Maybe a level indicator, but I ain't got my glasses on. That's where you would top up your antifreeze. Unscrew that just like that, but do not open it if it's hot. Okay, next to it you have your screen wash. Down there you just top it up with normal screen wash. If we move across over to here now, we're on just underneath here, the front of the vehicle. You have your just underneath here at the front of the vehicle, you have your dipstick. You just pull that out. Again, if you're driving your vehicle, you want to let it sit for a while before checking the oil. On here you should have markings. Oh, why didn't I put my glasses on? That show you your minimum and maximum level. I'm gonna have to clean all that muck off as well now. Right, so then you put it back in here, down there. Right, over here you have where you top up your oil. Should you be low, need more oil in it. Just back there is your brake fluid container, your brake fluid reservoir. Alright, on the side of it, just down there, you can see an arrow looking, and just there you can see your minimum and maximum mark. Now if you're losing brake fluid or your levels are going down, that tells you your pads are wearing, or you want to check if you have a leak. If your brakes are working fine, chances are your pads are wearing down. Okay, over here is your air filter box. Now you won't be interfering with that unless you do a service, but on here you have your power steering reservoir. This is where you would top up your power steering. So if we just open that, again it's got a dipstick on it, tells you the minimum and maximum amount of fluid you should have in there. And those are your basic checks, apart from going around checking your tires and checking the depths of your tires. That's about it. Okay people, so until next time from Tradespeople's Tips, take care of yourself, stop robbing people if you're doing it, and if you ain't doing it, don't start. Okay, see you later.